Boom shakalaka, the last time stocks did this was right before the dot-com bubble top. People have turned bearish on Bitcoin. Are they about to be surprised with the largest run we have ever seen? Stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video, a lot of very interesting charts for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, including is everyone in for a very massive surprise? How this market compares with previous cycles. Before we get into it, guys, make sure to like, subscribe, click the notification bell, come join us on Twitter at @TheCryptoLove. Push that like button. Now today, Fear and Greed 53, same exact number as we were yesterday. The overall market down 0.5%, Bitcoin at 27,420, Ethereum at 1828, BNB at 330, XRP 45 cents, Cardano 37 cents, Dogecoin 7 cents, Polygon 96 cents, and Solana $21. And if you want to know the top coins today based on AI, they would be OKB, Polymesh, Toncoin, Polymath, and Decentralized Social. And you can check out token metrics for yourself. Use AI like ChatGPT, but specifically for crypto to pick out the best coins. There is a free trial down in the description. Now, Bitcoin finding some support right on the 50-day moving average, this yellow line right here, as we were talking about what happened last week. If we break down below there, could be headed towards $25,000, but hopefully we will find some support right there. Now, today, bears abound. Right now, the number of stocks outperforming the 20-day index average is at levels that we saw the last time right before the dot-com bubble collapse. Could we have another collapse on the way for stocks? People have gotten very, very bearish for Bitcoin recently, saying, oh, look at this bearish Bitcoin chart. Actually, it's an inverted chart. This is actually a bullish chart as long as we find support on these levels, which is this retest level line right here. As a matter of fact, when we take a look on inverted VIX, SPX, and Bitcoin, stay bullish. All of these charts look very bullish, finding support breaking above previous resistance. Right now, in terms of Bitcoin failed bearish pattern, in the early stages of bull markets and throughout the duration, how many times did Bitcoin print bearish patterns that resulted in bullish price action afterwards? A plethora. You can see every one right here. Massive number of bearish patterns that turned out to precede massive runs for Bitcoin. Don't be fooled by the recent price action. Bear market is over. As a matter of fact, Bitcoin has flipped the Gaussian channel. Many are still expecting a $10,000 bottom this cycle. Well, when looking at Bitcoin history on the 4-day chart, every time the Gaussian channel has been flipped, the bear market bottom was in. You can see every time, flip it, and the bear market bottom is in for Bitcoin. Right now, Bitcoin has broken the 200 EMA line. This blue line has also flipped the super guppy right here. If we look at the history of Bitcoin in 2015, 2019, it was only a short retest, a little bit of time that it stood at the same area before it went immensely higher. So Bitcoin right now, if you followed Mustache, you might have remembered a couple weeks ago, in December, many weeks ago, when the 2-week MACD crossed, Bitcoin went from $16,000 to $30,000 since. Well, now the monthly MACD is about to cross. Higher time frame, more meaningful, could send Bitcoin massively higher. I can't even read these numbers right here, but these are big numbers in terms of percentage. And if you want to check out this chart, you can just go head over to Twitter at @TheCryptoLove. We'll repost it there. Now, giving an idea of where Bitcoin is, we take a look at the mvrvz score. This gives us an indication of when the tops are in each of these peaks right here. Well, we are still very, very down low on the bottom, just leaving this green area right here. A lot of air above for Bitcoin. As a matter of fact, while some people are packing their Bitcoin bags and calling it quits, we've only entered phase 1 of the monthly RSI crossing the midline. Phase 2 and phase 3, mid tops and macro tops, have yet to be completed. Higher prices are coming for those who are patient. You can see historically we're in this same level. This is phase 1 where we go sideways. We haven't even reached phase 2 mid tops or phase 3 macro tops. And just to give you an idea, early stage of a Bitcoin parabola following a 1.5-year correction. This is the early stage. Well, look at what happened in the later stage. Price shot up. This is like buying Bitcoin at $300 before it went to $20,000. And just to give you an idea where we are in terms of previous cycles, Great visual of how Bitcoin bull markets will do their best to try and shake you off along the way. The vast majority of people are better off just buying and holding. That's right, buying and holding spot, because you have these drawdowns all the way through the bull markets. All the way, look at these massive percentages, all the way through the bull markets. And if you're going long, you lose it all on these periods, particularly with leverage. That's what I mean. But if you're buying spot, you generally do quite well. So that's all for today's episode. If you enjoyed it, push that like button. I'll catch you guys later. Have a good one. Love you. Peace.
If you don't think Bitcoin's going to $1 million a coin and then $10 million a coin, you're already a loser.
From now on, if you don't own Bitcoin, you're a moron.